In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put sold items down on Depop 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to mark an item as sold so your shop stays tidy, your buyers aren't confused, and your inventory reflects what's actually available. Start by opening Depop, either in the mobile app or in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in to the account you use to sell. A quick tip before you begin: if something doesn't look like what you see here, update the app or refresh your browser because Depop's interface can change slightly over time. Once Depop is open, head to your profile. On the app, that's usually the profile icon at the bottom right. On desktop, look for your avatar or profile picture in the top area. Your profile is the hub for everything related to your shop, and it's the quickest way to access all of your selling tools. From your profile, go into your selling hub. This is where Depop centralizes your listings, orders, and account tools for sellers. If you manage multiple items, the selling hub keeps everything organized in one place. Inside the selling hub, tap or click on selling. This section shows your active listings. Think of it as your current storefront. Everything here is visible to buyers and can be purchased unless you change its status. Find the listing you want to update and choose manage. This opens the action menu for that specific item. Take a moment to double check the title and photo so you're editing the correct listing. If you handle a lot of similar items, it's worth verifying the size, color, or SKU in your description before proceeding. Now select Mark as sold. Depop may ask you to confirm. Go ahead and confirm if prompted. Once marked as sold, the listing will move out of your active items, so shoppers can't buy it anymore. This is especially useful if the item sold elsewhere or you only had one in stock. It keeps your shop accurate and helps avoid cancellations, which can impact buyer trust. After marking as sold, you'll see the change reflected in your selling hub almost immediately. If you need to review your completed listings later, you'll find them grouped with your sold items inside the hub. That historical record can be helpful for pricing future listings or answering buyer inquiries. And that's it. Open Depop, go to your profile, enter your selling hub, open the selling section, choose manage on the correct item, and select mark as sold. Keep your listings up to date and you'll create a smoother experience for both you and your buyers. Thanks for watching and happy selling!